Yeah, yazi Shane ngendaba zokulwa. Yazi akusisithombe sihle Shane. Ngifuna ukukutshela. Akusisithombe sihle angithandi ukuthi ingaba ngalendlela ifootball ngenye into man. Kumele si-unite Shane. Sports kumele si-unite abantu. Hayi indaba ukuthi kumele kugcine sekuchitheka negazi. You understand into ezinjalo. Akusimnandi Shane. Akusimnandi asikhonto into efana naleyo ukuthi kumele kuliwe ema-stadium but into engakutshela yona ukuthi Shane, a visitor should remain a visitor Shane. Kunendlela okumele uziphathe ngayo mangabe uyisivakashi. Akumelanga ukuthi uziphathe kabi. Ekugcineni uzobona kwangathi mhlawumbe kunabantu abangasikahle. Uma ngabe mhlawumbe wena Shane unezingane ekhaya, kuvakashe ingane mhlawumbe esithize emndenini wakho lapha eJardini. Wazi ukuthi ingane evakashile yakhala. Kusho ukuthi ayiphathekanga kahle kusho ukuthi no khona wrong kulabantwana bakho okusikahle even though leyo ngane leyo kuyiyo ezikhalisile mhlawumbe ucalele yo fight you understand. I don't like the way ama North African behave ngakhona. It's not the first time Shane lokho angeke sikufihla. I remember when they knocked Sundowns out last season ku home and away lapha Loftus ba mosha into eziningi kakhulu. Abantu abathengisa lapha izinto lapha e-stadium baye baphulelwa izinto ngalabantu bachitha ama dustbin you understand and ngalomzuzu bawinile uyangithola. So today ngithe uma ngibheka lento yiba bacale lento Shane angifuni ukutshela manga. I'm not saying you can fight fire with fire no but yiba bacale lento because ukuthatha lawo mabhena weMamelodi Sundowns bawadabule ila icale khona lempi baphula ibarricade like into mhlambe ebayijwayele bona kuyenza you understand but akusisithombe sihle Shane because igcina sekulimala abantu baningi abantu abalimele lapha even nabalandeli beSundowns bakhona abalimele like because bengikhona lapha ngikhonile ukubona nami ukuthi kwenzakalani even though ngabonanga kahle konke ukuthi kwenzakaleni but ifight icalwe yibo Shane.
It was said because le scenes sesibona on social media but what we saw on screen even their officials they were fighting after imdlalo. I don't know if you noticed that they were fighting. I'm sure when mhlawumbe ubusy phaka stand trying to stop a fight but also lapha ebaleni bebekhe bazama ukulwa nasebaleni. So in North Africans I don't understand ukuthi sometimes babanjani.